Hey guys, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. So in today's video, we are going to talk about speak cells in Excel. So what are speak cells in Excel? Speak cells in Excel is nothing but a feature of Excel by which if you use that, Excel will start speaking the data which is written onto your worksheet for you. So suppose you have some data written in your hard copy and that data is written onto your Excel worksheet. Now if you want to tally that data, what you can do is you can use this option speak cells and Excel will start speaking that data for you and you can just tally that data to your hard copy. So now let's see how you can use this speak cells option in Excel. So in today's topic, we'll be discussing about speak cells by rows, speak cells by column, speak cells on enter, stop speaking cells. So in speak cells, you get these options here. So let's begin. So now, how do you find this speak cells option? So first thing that this speak cells option is a hidden feature of Excel. By default, it is not enabled in your Excel. You have to enable it. And where this option is present, your speak cell option is present onto your quick access toolbar here at the very top of the screen where you get this redo, undo and save button. So how you can enable that option? You need to go to file, you need to click onto option and here you need to click onto quick access toolbar. Now here inside this popular command drop down menu, here you need to select all commands. And once you select all commands, you need to navigate speak cells option in this menu here. You can just search for speak cells by just moving your cursor here. Using a cursor, you can just scroll down here and you can just search for speak cells, but you can use keyboard shortcut as well. So just click here inside any of the option, click on the any of the options inside this menu here and just you need to press S. So on your keyboard, so if you press S on your keyboard, this will bring you to all the S options here. So options starting with S here. So you can just now easily search for speak cells. So here you can see here I found the speak cells. So these are the 5 options available. So speak cells, stop speaking cells, speak cells by columns, speak cells by rows and speak cells on enter. So how to add these options onto your quick access toolbar? You just need to select that first option which is speak cell and then click on to add. So here as you can see on the right hand side of this window, this empty window, there are only right now there are only save, undo and redo options which you can see here on top of your screen at your quick access toolbar. If you add any option right here, you can get those options here available on the top of your ribbon. So how you can add the speak cell option? Again, you just click onto that, you just select onto speak cells and then click on to add. So now the cursor will automatically go on to the next one. You can just click again to add and then add and last one add. So here we have added 5 options here. So speak cells, stop speaking cells, stop speak cells by column, by rows and on enter. And still there is no options available here, but if I press OK, then these options will be visible up here. So if I press OK, you see these options are available here. So how to use them? So now let's say you want to hear what is written onto this page here. So I have written some data onto this. So let's try speak cells option on this table right here. So let's say you want to hear what is written at this cell. So absolute reference is written onto this cell right now. So if I select onto that cell and if I click onto this option right here, which is a speak cell option, you'll see
absolute reference, name, total marks, David, John,
click stop
Joseph.
cell. You see, if I click on stop speaking cell, it will stop speaking the data. It will stop reading the data which you have written onto your table. So as you can see here, so it told me what is written onto this. Now suppose there is some data written onto one cell. So let's say I have written Coders Arcade here. So now if I want to here what is written onto this cell, I can just select onto that cell and I can just press onto this speak cell option here.
Coders Arcade.
So you can see it told me Coders Arcade is written onto this onto this cell. Now the other option is stop speaking cell. So when your Excel is speaking, reading out some data, then if you want to stop it, you can just click onto this option, stop speaking cell, as you have seen here right now. Then there comes the third option, which is speak cells by column. So if you press onto this option right here, and if you select onto this cell, now this, if you click onto this speak cells option now what this will do is it will start reading out the cells in a vertical manner. So it will start reading out the cells vertically. So if I select this absolute reference and if I click onto this option, you can hear
Absolute reference. Name. Total marks. David. John. Joseph. Robert. Nick. Harry. James. Marks. 100.
If I stop that using this stop speaking option here. So this, you saw that this was a speaking in a vertical manner. So this is what this speak cells by column does is. Now if you select onto speak cells by row, now by default, now if you select onto this option, now this will start reading out the cells in a horizontal manner. So if I select this cell, this first cell here, and if I press speak cells,
absolute reference, name, marks, percentage, total marks, 100, David, 85, 85%.
Now you see that it was reading out in a horizontal manner. So this is what this speak cells by row does. Now let's discuss about the last option that we get, speak cells on enter. So now suppose if I'm on an empty cell right here, and if I click onto this option right here,
cells will now be spoken on enter.
Cells be now spoken on when you press enter. So if I'm on this empty cell and if I start writing, let's say, and if I press enter,
coders,
so it will start speaking the cells when I press enter. So if I type anything like this and if I press enter, then on enter it will speak what I have written.
Arcade.
Like that.
Tutorial.
Like that. So this is what speak cell does. So again, if I want to read this whole column here, I can just go on, click on to this speak cells by column, and if I press this button, speak cell,
coders, arcade, tutorial, coders arcade,
and if I stop it, you will see that it stopped. And this is how we can use a speak cells option. So this is all about this video, guys. Hope you liked it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. So this is all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and if you like it, then tell us in the comment section below. If you have any doubts, then post them in the comment section. I will definitely try to clear those doubts. Also, like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when we post our new video. Thank you. Happy learning.